So last week more than 10 affiliates reached out to me that as we have been creating content, we are not generating this, we want to give up. This business is not for us, you understand? So that was what led me to make this video. So what I'm about to share with you in this video is something. They say that nothing is guaranteed, but I'm almost guaranteeing you that this will get your first 10 sales in 2 weeks, only if you implement what I'm about to share with you in this video. And the best part is that you don't need to create content. Yes, you don't need to create content. You don't need to run paid ads. You get the point. You just have to focus, learn the principle, and do it on a daily basis. You will surely get your first 10 sales in 2 weeks. If I have a lady who got her first 15 sales, you understand? 15 sales. I will be putting the screenshot if I found it. 15 sales after 2 weeks, and some people make it, but the minimum sale you can make is 5 sales in 2 weeks of implementing what I'm about to share with you. So you can see my screenshots here. This is 2nd of September. I made 10 sales. This is another sale. 2nd of September. I made also 2 sales. This is another screenshot on 5th of September. I made 4 sales. So if you multiply all of them, this is 16 sales. 16 times 35. This is about 56,000 naira. So if you are making 56,000 naira every week, is that bad for you? You watching this video, is that bad for you? Okay, if that is not bad for you, then you have to stay with me to the end of this video while I share with you the principles you need to make your first 10 sales in 2 weeks. Now, before I dive into this video, let me first of all tell you why the content you're creating is not generating leads. Do you know that in the beginning, most of your leads will not come from the content you make? Like 90% of your leads will not come from the content you make. But the reason we create content is for the future, not for now. You get the point? You don't create content today and expect to go viral tomorrow, or expect. In fact, you can create content for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months without generating a single lead. That is possible. So how do I actually do this stuff? Now, here's the thing. If you create content and Elon Musk creates content, who do you think people will listen to? Definitely people will listen to Elon Musk. If you create content and Mark Zuckerberg creates content, who do you think people will listen to? Definitely people will listen to Mark Zuckerberg because he has the more credibility than you, he has more status than you, and he has more information, he has everything. Even though your content is more valuable than theirs, they will always win. On a daily basis, more than 3.something million content are being uploaded on social media, and you see that your own chance that your mediocre content are making, you have a very high low chance of generating this. So what I normally do is leverage on other people's audience to make my sales, and that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing you in this video. I leverage on other people's audience to make my sales. Now, maybe you must have heard this thing somewhere else, they tell you to do it, but you don't pay attention to it, and that's why you're not doing it, and that's why you're not generating leads. You get the point? So this is what I normally do. First of all, you have to pick a product that you want to promote. I know most of you already have a product that you are promoting, but here is another thing. After picking a product that you want to promote, you ask yourself, who are my real target audience? It's very, very unfortunate that most affiliate marketers don't even know their target audience. You ask an affiliate marketer who are your target audience, and they will be like people between 18 to 18 years. Who are your target audience? People just want to make one online. As in, that doesn't make sense. So I will not come. My main goal in this is to show you how to get your first message. So I will not come and be wasting time and showing you how to know your target audience. I want you to go to ChatGPT and plug in the product that you are promoting. After plugging the product you are promoting, then you ask ChatGPT, who are my best target audience to make massive sales with this product, and ChatGPT will decide the target audience that you need the most to sell a product you are promoting. Get the point? So after doing that thing, now you have know your target audience. The next you should ask yourself is, where do I find my target audience? Where do I actually find my target audience? Now, here's the thing. You can find your target audience on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere, depending on the kind of product that you're promoting. But here is what I normally do. I don't go ahead and start looking for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and stuff. What I normally do, I look for people that already have my target audience. Now, I want to tell you something. No matter the products you are selling today, no matter the products you are selling today, there are people out there who has, hear me again, who has your target audience. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. No matter the product you are selling today, there are people out there who have your target audience. And the best part is that they are not selling anything to this your audience. Yes, their audience are just there. So it's left for you to tap into their audience, and make huge amount of money from that their audience, and that's exactly what I'm about to share with you. So instead of looking for platforms, looking for on Instagram of people that we are targeting. This is not what I normally do. I write out the names of people in my industry or the names of people that I think will have the list of my target audience. Now this is how I do it. Let me say I'm into real estate. I'm selling a product of real estate. Now we go on LinkedIn and search real estate. It will bring me a profile of people who their name who deals with real estate. Definitely these people will have my target audience. Or I will go on TikTok, or I will go on Twitter, I will go on Instagram, I will go on Facebook, on any platform and search real estate, and it show me the list of people that are doing real estate, and I pick up the people that have the highest followers in that industry. And if you are selling a product of how to make one online, you can go on Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok and search online business, online marketing, digital marketing, and you see a list of people that have big followers, thousands of followers on that your niche that have that are doing that digital marketing. Definitely they will have your target audience, understand? So now you have found these big creators that have your target audience. And the next thing you should do is, remember, you have first of all you have discovered who your target audience. Now you have discovered where they are and who have your target audience. Let me get it right. Now let me say let me use Tony Elumelu, because almost you watching this you know who is Tony Elumelu. Tony Elumelu don't have your target audience. I'm just using him as an example. Let me say Tony Elumelu have your target audience. Now we have know this thing. So what you should do is click the notification bell of Tony Elumelu's posts, so that whenever Tony Elumelu post, you'll be the first person to comment. Now here's 2 rules. Whenever Tony Elumelu posts, you should add valuable comments to Tony Elumelu's post. Now this is exactly what I do. I don't brag about it. Those screenshots I show you about, this is the method we used to do it. You get the point? So what you should do is add valuable comments to Tony Elumelu's comment. Now here is the rule when you're adding comments. Don't comment for the author, comment for the people that want to come and read that post. Now what I mean is that don't go ahead and start commenting, oh thank you very much sir, oh I love this, oh this is nice. No, comment it that you know that there are people that are going to be in the comment section, and add a very valuable comment. In my Office First Sales Blueprint, I showed practical there. My post normally gets 10 views, 15 views, 40 views. But and when I add valuable comments to other people's comments, I got 2,000 views just from adding valuable comments, and more than 20 people like my post, more than 7 people saved it, and then people reposted it, and people reached out to me, and I also reached out to people that I want to reach out, understand? So when you are commenting, treat that your comment as a post. That is another thing. Don't just say, okay, let me comment on other people's posts. No, say it, I'm posting on other people's posts, so that their posts will be a leverage for you to grow. You get the point? So whenever I'm commenting on people, I'm just very curious. What valuable comments will I add? I don't just add comment, I add post to their post, so that their old post will be a reference for me to grow. Imagine me posting on Twitter only 100 views, but I posted on someone comment and I got 2,000 views on all set of them. You get the point? And now if most of you be like, how do I know valuable comment to add? Don't worry, that's exactly what we'll be teaching you in the Africa First Time Blueprint, how to come up with valuable comment ideas that you have to comment. So if it's something you want to get, you can check in the description of this video or in the comment section and get the Africa First Time Sales Blueprint. So after adding valuable comment to their comment, now here is another thing you need to do. You reach out to them using what I call the ACA framework. I know most of you might have maybe haven't had the work ACA framework. So ACA framework means first C you acknowledge, second C you compliment, and third A you associate. Now ACA framework means when you look at the people that liked your comment, or you look at the people that commented on your comment, what you have to do is you reach out to them. You get the point? Now when you reach out to them, you check out some things that their profile, you check their profile and like some of their profile, and you reach out to them. What you do, you acknowledge them. You can message something like, wow, someone have what you are selling on your business tips, you acknowledge them. So if you want people to open your message faster, you have to acknowledge them, so that their heart will be very, very happy for them to open your message. And then after acknowledging them, you compliment them. After complimenting them, you ask questions related to the product that you are promoting. If you also want to learn very well about this ACA framework, you can also check in our First Time Blueprint. We share with you very well how you can make use of the ACA framework. You get the point? Now after having that little conversation with them, and you ask them that question that relates to the product you are promoting, that leads to sell. You now lead them to your WhatsApp or whatever place you want to sell them. So this is actually how you reach out to people who commented on your post or who like your post or whatever. And then another thing is you create a lead magnet and post it on your profile. Now a lot of you don't know what is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you use to build trust fast. If you go to 100 people and be like, hey, buy my product, nobody will buy. But we go to 100 people and be like, hey, you have a problem, can I solve it for free? Almost all of them will be like, hey, can solve my problem for me for free. So you use your lead magnet and solve their problem for them for free. So if you want to know how to create lead magnet so that you can build trust fast, you can also check the link in the description of this video and grab our affiliate first 10 sales blueprint. You get the point? So this is exactly what you need to do to get your first 10 sales in 2 weeks. Now listen to the summary of this video. Number 1, ask ChatGPT who your target audience are. Based on ChatGPT, this is a product I'm promoting, who do you think is my best target audience, and ChatGPT will tell you who they are. Then number 2, write out who your target audience are. So who the big creators that you think that have your target audience. Now you don't need to write out their name on a sheet of paper. What you need to do, depending on the platform you want to use, TikTok, Instagram, any place, what you do is turn their notification bell on so that whenever they post, you be the first person to comment, so that huge amount of people will see your comments. Then after that, number 3, whenever they post something, add valuable comments to their comment. You get the point? Add valuable comment. Don't just go there and say thank you sir. No, add valuable comments, knowing that you're not commenting for the author, you're commenting for the audience. And then another thing is treat your comment as a post, not as a customer, meaning not as a comment. You get the point? So if you want to know how to add valuable comment to people's posts, you can check our free first lesson blueprint in the description of this video. And then another one, after people like your comment or commented on your comment, you reach out to them using what I call the SCA framework. The SCA framework meaning A, you acknowledge; C, you compliment; and third, you ask. A, you look at their profile and like their profile and look at the things they are doing and say, okay, wow, I love what they are doing. They'll be like, thank you. Then you compliment them. After you compliment them, you ask them questions that relates to the product they're promoting. Let me say, you're selling a product of how to make online. So you can let me say you're selling a product for how to make money. You can say something like, hey John, have you found a way to earn money online previously, or are you making money online previously? They will be like, no. I'm not saying you should go and send this for them. Like, we have a perfect prompt in the free first lesson blueprint you can use to ask them perfect question. You get the point? When you get it, we give it to you so that you don't stand spamming. Then after that thing, they be like, okay, you lead them to your WhatsApp, and that is where you do the closing. Also in our free first sales blueprint, we give you the powerful psychological questions you need to ask people to close sales, because most people don't even know the right question to ask a prospect to close the sale. And after that, you win. Then if you don't reach out to them, people will click on your profile, and when they click on your profile, they look at the lead magnet you posted on your profile. And if you have a very good lead magnet which will help you to build trust with this audience fast, they will click on it, and immediately they will even buy your products. You get the point? So what I want to do is comment 20 comments or 10 comments in the morning, 20 or 15 comments in the afternoon, 20 or 15 comments in the night. If you do this thing, 60 comments, more people will like, and you even have more lists than you can handle. Honestly, if you do this thing for complete 2 weeks, you will surely make your first 10 sales. Almost, you surely make even more than your first 10 sales. So this is exactly how it works. Don't forget to get to the affiliate first sales blueprint to make your work easier, and that will help you create your lead magnet, help you close your first sales, help you your WhatsApp webinar script. We will also show you how to create a WhatsApp webinar script. And the best part about the affiliate first sales blueprint is that we don't teach you the theory. We watch us live and we implement this thing that we have just shared with you. Watch us live while we implement it. Alright, so don't forget to share this video to anyone, any affiliate marketer who you think might need it. See you on the next video, guys.